Look at his face. Are you kidding? Oh, Chadwick. Oh, stop the music, Chadwick. The man we're looking for. Oh, stung by a bee? Hell no. Oh, look how young this guy is. Oh, and his teeth still in place. Chadwick Wibble does it again. That is Alexander Ovechkin, the Great 8 Ovi. Holy mackerel, look how young he is. Ovi, oh my goodness. Well, Ovechkin's mother, Tatiana, played basketball in international tournaments. Wow. Well, I didn't know that. I don't know how Ovechkin's mom played baseball. Oh, goodness, let me sleeve it up. That is Alexander Ovi. Rookie card. Oh, all I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. Fresh out of Moscow. Yeah, his mother played basketball, and he played hockey. From Moscow, Russia. Oh my goodness, that is an automatic grading review. Oh, we went through a lot of packs earlier for David, looking for Ovechkin, and then he comes out of the Hive. Beehive, beautiful, GR. Great rip grading review, Chadwick from the Ovechkin. Oh, the only thing that would disturb me is if you wanted Crosby, but we pulled him out of this set also. The red variation, I tell you, that is cool. That is a young pitcher. I can't speculate on what the grade could be or value, but we're going to grade it because it's Ovechkin's rookie. Wow.